girl. Good girl, Moo. Go on, Moo. In.
Mom, look at him like Brutus.
Attaboy, good boy.
Look at Moolah catching it.
Good boy. You got your baby. That's a beautiful.
Is that your baby? Can I have your baby?
Good boy, Tai-Tai. Good boy. Good boy, Tai-Tai. Get it, Tai-Tai. Get it, Tai-Tai. Get it, Tai-Tai. Uh-oh. You gotta put it in upside down. Put it in this way? Yeah. Because then it's the same. Sally! Sam! Get it! Get it! Oh, you got it over already. Get it! Get it! Get it! Move! Move! Ah! Sally, get in there. Luna, get it! Get it! Get it! Hey! Hey! Easy! Oh, sorry, Sal!
Go ahead, hit Sally in the head with the milk crate.
Sorry, Sal! Get in there! Tai-Tai, come! Wow! Sally, get it! Get it! Ow, my finger! Sally, get it! Oh, you gotta put it in there with something heavy so they can't get it out. Get it! Get it, Sal! Get in there, Sal! Get it, Sal! Good girl! Get it, Sal! Get it, Sal! Get in there, Moo! Get in there, Moo! Get it, Tai-Tai. Sally, get in there. Sally, get in there. Get it. Don't break it, Ty. Get it. Get it. Oh, my goodness.
Oh, Sally got it.
Drop. Drop. Move. Drop. Move. Get it.
Last time Aggie got scared of Sam.
Get it. Drop. Hey. Drop.
But Aggie got scared of her.
Huh?
Yeah.
What?
Sam and Aggie playing. Sam scared Aggie last time.
Yeah. Get it, Sal. Get it, Sal.
Poor Aggie, doesn't like the water.
No way.
Hates it.
It took these guys a while to get used to it.
She-
Polo will go in
She
there.
shakes.
Get it, Mo.
She shakes when you show her the hose.
Get it, Mo. Good
From that whole
girl.
grooming thing that Petco
Yeah.
said, she won't go near it anymore.
Really?
That's why I take her to you.